we go. So, welcome. We'll get started. Today we're going to do I Wonder, and we'll be doing page 122 in the textbook. Maybe this, definitely this one, maybe these ones. So it will be I Wonder. I Wonder, page 122. So, let's get started.
Listen and speak one.
So,
what does the girl wonder?
So we'll listen for I wonder where the mountain is, or I wonder how high the mountain is. So A or B. So we'll just listen and check.
We're almost at the top of the mountain.
I wonder how high this mountain is.
It's about 2,000 meters high.
Wow, this is a really high mountain.
Yes, it is. Let's keep going.
Okay, maybe just one more time real quick.
We're almost at the top of the mountain.
I wonder how high this mountain is.
It's about 2,000 meters high.
Wow, this is a really high mountain.
Yes, it is. Let's keep going.
Okay, so which one is it? A or B? Which one?
P.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, good.
She wonders how high the mountain is.
So she says, I wonder how high the mountain is. Well, let's look at some examples of those. Okay. So, I wonder. Okay. So, here's an example. Okay. So he's thinking penguins. Penguins. So he says, I wonder how tall penguins are. She, Jacques?
I wonder how tall penguins are.
And here's the answer. This is a penguin. Emperor penguins are about 1.2 meters tall. So they're big. Here's another example. Okay. She's thinking about, polar bears. If you see a polar bear, run. Okay. And she says, this is heavy. I wonder how heavy polar bears are. She, Jacques?
I wonder how heavy polar bears are.
And here's the answer. They're big. Male polar bears weigh about 450 kilograms. They are big. Yeah. Next example. Now, this one makes me a little nervous. He's thinking about Earth and global warming. Now, he says, it's cold. I wonder how cold the Arctic is. She, Jacques?
I wonder how cold the earth is.
Yeah. And this makes me nervous because it's not cold at all right now. It's not cold. The Arctic is only -9 degrees Celsius right now. It should be much colder. Here's the Arctic. And right at the very top, it's only -9. Yeah, should be much colder. Yeah, this is satellite. And then I go to Korea. And there's Korea. And Korea is much warmer, about 22. So Arctic, not very cold. Okay. Last example. So she's thinking about mountains. Okay. So, and this word here is tall. I wonder how tall Wilchusan is. 시작.
I wonder how tall Wilchusan is.
And the answer, oh, it's so pretty. Wilchusan is 809 meters tall. So, pretty big and very beautiful. Okay, so I've shown you answers. Now, can you make a question when you see the answer? Let's try. Here's an example. Okay, so down here, this is a man. And then this, whoa, that's a blue whale. Blue whale. So here's the answer. The blue whale is about 25 meters long. 시작.
The blue whale is about 25 meters long.
Now, can you make a question? It starts like this. Oh, go ahead, 시작.
I wonder how long the blue whale is.
Good. And can you also make one like this? How long, cha-cha-cha? That's all right, I'll show you both. So here's one. Well, we'll start here. How long is a blue whale? 시작.
How long is the blue whale?
Good. And then, I wonder how long a blue whale is. 시작.
I wonder how long a blue whale is.
So these are same, and that's the answer. Good.
Can I check how many students?
Yeah, sure. We got 27.
27.
Yeah.
That's perfect. Excellent.
Yeah.
Okay, include you.
28 including me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So we're only missing 2. There's 30 in the class?
Yeah, we have 3.
Yeah.
So we are missing 3.
Well, 3.
Okay.
Yeah, that's really good.
Okay, let me talk to them just 1 second.
Oh, yeah, sure.
자, 선생님 목소리 들려요?
네.
지금 27명 왔는데 3명 선생님 체크해서 또 전화할 겁니다. 제 시간에 항상 이렇게 들어와 주세요. 알겠죠? 오늘 많이 들어와서 잘했어. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, great. Thank you. All right. Let's try another example. We're doing great. So here's the Sahara Desert. It's beautiful, but dangerous. See it? The Sahara Desert is usually 30 degrees to 50 degrees Celsius. 시작.
The Sahara Desert is usually 30 degrees to 50 degrees Celsius.
Okay. So can you make a question? How, blah, 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 blah. I'll give you a hint. How, try it here. How hot, blah, 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 blah.
How hot is the Sahara Desert?
Yes, good, good, good. So, how hot is the Sahara Desert? Now, let's change this to I wonder. And all we have to do is this goes here.
I wonder how hot the Sahara Desert is.
Yeah, there we go. Perfect. So, I wonder how hot the Sahara Desert is. Well, these two are basically the same, and then that's the answer. Here's another one. Okay. This is a picture of, oh, it's not moving. Okay. Jupiter. Now the picture is not very good because Jupiter is very far away. Jupiter is about 705 million kilometers away. Jacques?
Jupiter is about
705.
705 million kilometers away.
Yeah, good. Very far away. So, I'll give you a little hint. How far? So with how far away, can we make a question?
How far away is the Jupiter?
Yes, there we go. Good. So, how far away is Jupiter? Now, can we change this to I wonder?
I wonder how far away Jupiter is.
Yeah, great. Perfect. So just a little switch, and then you've made this. I wonder how far away Jupiter is. Oh, good. And then these are the same. Okay. Now, a little more interesting. The grammar here changes a little bit. So here's camel, desert cow. So camels can go 7 months without water. Jacques?
Camels can go 7 months without water.
So 7 months, no move. All their water is right there. So that's a long time. How can we make a question for this? I'll give you a hint. How long? And then this, we're going to move here.
How long can camels go without water?
Yeah, nice. So, question. How long can camels go without water? Now, let's make this I wonder. Then this goes back here. So,
I wonder how long camels can go without water.
Here we go. Good, good, good. So, can just goes right back there. I wonder how long camels can go without water. So, same, and answer. Okay. Here's another example. How are we doing for time? Good. So, this is my hometown. Not now, but in winter. So there's so much snow in winter, you can't drive. So people will just walk on the street sometimes. So here's the question. Canada, or the answer, Canada usually gets 2 meters of snow in winter. 시작.
Canada usually gets 2 meters of snow in winter.
Now, we have to make a question. So, it's going to start with how. How
many?
Close. How
much?
Yeah, so how much, and then we've got to move a word. So this we can just get rid of. And how much, and this will have to go basically here. Yeah. So what could we say for a question?
How much Canada snow get in winter?
Very close. Yeah. We'll make a small change. How much snow does Canada, and then here becomes get. How much snow does Canada get in winter? 시작.
How much snow does Canada get in winter?
Good. Now we've got to make an I wonder. So, I wonder, and then this becomes gets again. So, S. Oh, what could we say? This, I think, will go here.
I wonder how much snow gets.
Actually, here, I'll be here. Yeah, how much snow Canada gets
In winter.
Yeah, okay. Grammar gets a little more difficult here, but great job. I wonder how much snow Canada gets in winter. 시작.
I wonder how much snow Canada gets in
winter.
Yeah, okay, good. Last example. Last one. This one is a typhoon question. So, we got so many typhoons, I made a typhoon question. This was the strongest typhoon ever. The strongest. Typhoon Haiyan was the strongest typhoon. It was 240 kilometers an hour. It was a beast. So if we just got rid of this, Haiyan was the strongest typhoon. Oh. And let's make a question. But this time, let's start with what was. What was cha-cha-cha-cha? What would we say?
What was the strong typhoon?
Yeah, exactly. Right. So, oh yeah. Well, I made a small change, but I like yours too. They're both okay. What was the strongest typhoon? Ooh. That's a good one. Mine's very similar, but yours is also good. How strong was the biggest typhoon? 시작.
How strong was the biggest typhoon?
Okay. And here, I'll just show you the I wonder. Oh. I wonder how strong the biggest typhoon was. 시작.
I wonder how strong the biggest typhoon was.
So these two are the same, and then there's the answer. So that's I wonder. Next, okay. We'll do down here, but we'll do it very quickly because it's so easy. This was actually second grade stuff, but it's back in third grade for some reason. So we'll do it quickly. This will maybe be 1 or 2 exam questions on this stuff here. So, there's 3 words: in front of, next to, and behind. So let's just do these real quickly. Okay, so I made a map with Ryan, and here is hospital, post office, and Ryan. Okay. And this is the front of the hospital. And here's post office. Ryan says the post office is cha-cha-cha the hospital. What does he say?
The post office is in front of the hospital.
Yes, good. So the post office is in front of the hospital. Okay. Here's another one. Okay. So here's a bookstore. And then there's Ryan. Okay. And this is front. And Ryan says, I am standing blah, 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 the bookstore. What does he say?
I am standing in front of the bookstore.
Good. And another example. Now this one has maybe 2 answers. They're both okay. So here's school and playground. And Ryan is in the playground. And he's, if this is front of school, what would be this? What's this? So front and then?
Behind.
Yeah, okay. So let's try that first. 시작.
The playground is
Behind.
the school.
Yeah, so the playground is behind the school, but there may be one more. So behind good, in front of no. What's the other one? Remember?
Next.
Yes, that's right. Next to. So you can probably say next to. So the playground is next to the school. 시작.
The playground
is next to the school.
Yeah, okay. So those are those 3. In front of, next to, behind, all pretty easy. So we'll just stop there. Okay, and I think that was the last example. Yeah. Okay. All right. And so I wonder, easy or yeah?
So.
So, okay, yeah. We'll look at this again one more time next class. So, I think we're all done, yeah. Yeah, okay. So, all finished. So, thank you very much. And enjoy Chuseok, because I won't see you again next week. It'll have to be the week after that. So, all finished. Thank you very much. And bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Okay. So, bye.